Hi everyone. Welcome to the Simply Explained English podcast, where we help you learn English in a fun and easy way. I'm Lisa, and I'm here with my friend Eric. Say hi, Eric.
Hi, Lisa. Hi, listeners. I'm Eric, and I'm happy to be here with you.
In this episode, we're going to explain some words that you might hear or use in everyday English. The first word of today is to be cute. Next is to be wavy. Then, to calm down, to cause, and. The final one is backbone of something. We'll give you the meaning, some examples, and some dialogues to practice. Are you ready, Eric?
I'm ready, Lisa. Let's start with the first word.
Okay, the first word is to be cute.
To be cute.
To be cute. Do you know what it means, Eric?
Well, I think it means to be pretty or attractive, right?
That's right, Eric, but it can also mean to be adorable or charming, especially for children or animals. For example, you can say, "Your baby is so cute," or "Look at that cute puppy."
I see. So, it's a positive word that you can use to compliment someone or something.
Exactly. And you can also use it as an adjective, like a cute dress or a cute smile.
Okay, I got you. Can you give us a dialogue to show how to use this word, Lisa?
Sure, Eric. Here's a dialogue between two friends, Anna and Ben, who are looking at some photos on Anna's phone.
Look, this is my niece Emma. She's 3 years old.
Wow, she's so cute. She has your eyes.
Thank you. She's very smart and funny too.
I bet she is. And who's this?
This is my cat, Fluffy. He's very lazy and loves to sleep.
He's very cute too.
He is. He's very soft and cuddly.
You have a lot of cute things in your life, Anna.
Thank you, Ben. You're very kind.
And that's the end of the dialogue. How did you find it, Eric?
I found it very cute, Lisa.
So do you have any cute things in your life, Eric?
Well, I do. I have a cute dog named Spot. He's very playful and loyal.
Ah, that's nice, Eric. I love dogs. What kind of dog is he?
He's a golden retriever. He has a cute face and a cute tail.
He sounds adorable. Maybe you can bring him here one day?
Yeah, good idea. I'm sure he'll like to come here.
Great, I'm looking forward to it. Okay, let's move on to the next word. The next word is to be wavy.
To be wavy.
To be wavy. Do you know what it means, Eric?
I think it means to have curves or bends, like waves in the ocean.
That's right. You can use it to describe things that are not straight or smooth, but have a wavy shape or pattern. For example, you can say, "Her hair is wavy," or "This fabric has a wavy design."
I see. So, it's a word that you can use to describe the appearance of something.
Exactly, Eric. Let's move on to the dialogue to show how to use this word in a dialogue between two friends, Mia and Leo, who are at the beach.
Leo, do you want to go for a swim?
Sure, why not? Let's go.
Wait, Leo, you need to put some sunscreen on.
Oh, right. Thanks, Mia.
Here, let me help you. You have a lot of wavy hair.
Yeah, I like my hair wavy. It makes me look cool.
How was the dialogue, Eric?
I liked it. It was a nice dialogue.
Do you like swimming in a wavy sea, Eric?
I do. I think swimming in a wavy sea is fun and exciting.
Yeah, it's a great way to exercise and enjoy nature.
I agree, but on the other hand, if the sea is too wavy, it might be better not to swim. Otherwise, it can be dangerous.
I totally agree. Maybe we should remind our viewers not to swim in a too wavy sea.
Yes, Lisa, everybody should be careful when they swim in a too wavy sea, even if they are good at swimming.
Okay, well, let's move on to the next word. The next word is to calm down.
To calm down.
To calm down. Can you explain what it means, Eric?
Sure. It means to relax or to stop being angry or nervous.
Yep. You can use this word to tell someone or yourself to become more peaceful or quiet. For example, you can say, "Calm down, everything will be okay." Or, "I need to calm down before the exam."
So, it's a word that you can use to reduce stress or tension.
Exactly, and you can also use it as an adjective like a calm person or a calm place.
Can you give us a dialogue to show how to use this word, Lisa?
Sure, Eric. Here's a dialogue between two friends, Sam and Tina, who are watching a scary movie.
This movie is so scary. I can't watch it.
Come on, Sam. It's not that scary. It's just a movie.
No, it's too scary. Look at that monster. It's going to eat them.
Calm down, Sam. It's not real. It's just a special effect.
I don't care. It's too scary. I'm going to close my eyes.
Don't be silly, Sam. You're missing the best part.
No, thank you. I'd rather be calm than scared.
Fine, suit yourself. But you're missing a lot of fun.
It was a very funny dialogue.
Yeah, it was. Sam was very scared. Do you like scary movies, Eric?
Well, I don't mind them, but I prefer comedies or action movies.
I agree with you. They're more enjoyable and less stressful.
Maybe we can watch a comedy or an action movie together sometime.
That sounds like a good idea, Eric. I'd love that.
Great, Lisa. I'm looking forward to it.
Okay, let's move on to the next word. The next word is to cause.
To cause.
To cause. Do you know what it means, Eric?
Yep. It means to make something happen or to be the reason for something.
You can use this word to show the connection between an action and a result. For example, you can say smoking causes lung cancer or rain causes the road to be slippery.
Yes, exactly, Lisa. It's a word that you can use to explain why something happens.
And you can also use it as a noun, like a cause. That means a goal or a purpose that you support or fight for.
Let's have a look at a dialogue to show how to use this word.
Here's a dialogue between two friends, Jack and Lily, who are talking about an accident.
Hey, Tom, are you okay? I've heard you had a car accident.
Hi, Sarah. I'm okay, thanks. It was not a serious accident.
What happened?
Well, I was driving on the highway and suddenly a deer jumped in front of my car.
Oh no, that's scary. Did the deer cause any damage to your car?
Yes, it did. It caused a big dent in the hood and a broken headlight.
I'm sorry to hear that. How about you? Did you get hurt?
No, I didn't. I was wearing my seatbelt and the airbag saved me.
I'm glad to hear that. You were lucky.
I was, Sarah. I was very lucky.
They didn't mention what happened to the deer. I hope he is okay as well.
I hope so, Lisa. They are strong animals.
I hope so. Anyway, have you ever had a car accident, Eric?
Fortunately, I haven't, Lisa. I always try to be careful when I drive.
I think driving is a big responsibility.
Absolutely, Lisa. We need to be safe and cautious.
That's right, Eric. Maybe we can make a video with some tips on how to drive safely for our followers.
That sounds like a fantastic idea, Lisa. We should make a plan to do it as soon as possible.
Yes, Eric. The video will be useful for their English as well.
It'll be useful, no doubt.
Okay, today's last word is the backbone of something.
It means the most important or essential part of something.
That's right, Eric. You can use this word to describe something that supports or gives strength to something else. For example, you can say the workers are the backbone of the company, or family is the backbone of society.
So it's a word that you can use to show the importance or value of something.
Exactly. And you can also use it as a noun like a backbone. That means the spine or the main bone in your back.
Is a dialogue coming, Lisa?
Sure, Eric. Here's a dialogue between two friends, Kim and Ryan, who are talking about their school project.
Hey Ryan, how's the project going?
Hi Kim, it's going well. I've finished the research and the outline.
That's great! You're amazing, Ryan. You're the backbone of our team.
Thank you, Kim. You're very kind. But you're also doing a great job. You've done the design and the presentation.
It was a useful example of how to use the word backbone in a positive way.
So what do you think is the backbone of our podcast, Eric?
Wow, it's a very good question. I think the backbone of our podcast is our friendship, Lisa.
Absolutely. I think our friendship is what makes our podcast fun and easy to listen to and watch.
I agree, Lisa. We have a good chemistry and a good rapport.
Maybe we can share some stories about how we became friends.
That sounds fantastic. I'd love to share our friendship stories.
Great, Eric. I'm looking forward to it.
Me too, Lisa. Okay, that's all for today's video. Thank you for watching to the Simply Explained English podcast. We hope you enjoyed it and learned something new.
Yes, thank you for watching. We hope you had fun and practiced your English.
And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and leave us a comment or a review.
Yes, please do. We'd love to hear from you and answer your questions.
Until next time, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.